Hey guys, welcome back to Tools on a Budget. Today we're doing a little review on this Hypertough 12 volt, the brushed impact driver. Keep in mind I do have a brushless model. This is just the brushed. Um, you can get this either by itself with a battery and a charger, or as a combo kit with a drill. Only one battery for both tools, which is okay for a homeowner. So keep in mind this is a cheaper deal than this one. By itself, this comes I think at like $32.99, and for like $7 more you get the drill. So I suggest you get this one. It's $39.99 or 98 on the Walmart.com app, or if you go on the website. It's a 1/4-inch chuck. It advertises, I think it was like 80 foot-pounds or something like that. Let me see. Let's see if we can find the specs. Oh, here we go. So it is 100 Newton meters, 880 inch-pounds, which comes out to like 75 foot-pounds. It weighs 2.2 pounds or a kilogram. The charger it comes with is a slow charger, so it takes about 3 to 5 hours to charge it. I did have to leave it for quite an extensive while charging, so it took about, with whatever it came in it, it took like 2 hours to fully charge it. And this doesn't have a fuel gauge. One of my viewers did say that the brushless does have like a fuel gauge on it. This one unfortunately does not. The ratchet does. I don't know if you guys can see here. It does have like some sort of a fuel gauge. They omitted it on these cheaper ones, which honestly don't feel quite that cheap. So what today we're gonna do is we're gonna torque this down. We'll start at like 30 or 40, and then we'll go up to like pretty much as high as it can go before it gives up. And then I'll probably put it up against the Hercules and do like a little lag bolt challenge or something. So stay tuned, guys. Here we're gonna go ahead and start with the torque testing. All right, guys, so we're gonna start at 30 foot-pounds. No way to show you guys the charge, but it is fully charged. Let's see, 30 foot-pounds. There it is. It doesn't take much for 30 foot-pounds. Keep in mind it will lose torque because of this. So if it does over 60, then we know this thing's a little beast. There we go. Like nothing. All right, let's do 40. It's 40 now. 40. Easy. 50. 60. So this is where I might get some resistance. 70. 80. $90. Oh, 100 foot-pounds. I'm gonna move it up by 20. $120. Hercules versus Hyper Tough. All right, guys, as you guys saw, this little thing's able to do 100 foot-pounds pretty easily. Struggled with 120, maybe able to do it. I'm not 100% sure. Maybe if you keep hammering it. This is not meant to be like a heavy-duty impact wrench and stuff. This is more to drive in like screws. Like, let's say you're building a cabinet or installing some cabinets or something. This is perfect. Even building like a little desk or something. This will work. Even if you're a mechanic, you can just zip out the little 10 millimeters, maybe even like a 12. No problem. I kind of failed with the lag bolt test. The lag bolts were a little bit too big for these. So I am gonna go to the hardware store and get like a little bit of a smaller size, and then I'll probably do like a short and upload that one separately. Once I do the short, I'll probably do this one versus the Hercules, and then I'll probably do this one versus the DeWalt, and then versus the Milwaukee, the ones I have, and I'll see what other 12-volt tools I might have and put it up against that. And then remember, guys, stay tuned. I'm gonna do the drill video that's coming up soon as well. That one I'm gonna do versus the Warrior, to see what the difference is between those two. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. It's a pretty good little tool. I can't say I would recommend it yet. Maybe for like a homeowner, I would. But like, if you're gonna use this daily, I gotta test it out a little bit more before I give you guys my opinion on that. But overall, the quality does feel pretty damn good, especially for the price. Considering you get both of them for 40, that's like you get this for like 15-20 bucks. At that price point, you can't really beat it. And like I said, you can get this solo for 32, but I recommend just getting the combo kit. Even if you don't need the drill, maybe you can, one day, maybe you just throw the whole kit in the car, and one day it'll come in handy. It'll be worth the $8 extra. But yeah, guys, if you guys like these type of videos, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And thanks, guys, for watching. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your weekend, and have a great day.